Hello everyone, you are watching SQL for data analysts and data scientists, and current topic for this lecture is max function that is used in SQL queries. This is like lecture number 13 of this series given by myself, Shanaz Malik. The core to remember is, the main point to remember is that the max function returns the largest value of the selected column. Okay, largest value of the selected column, and this is the syntax. Okay, it's simple that you have that column and you put it through max function and then you put all that to select. Okay, and once you have put all that as shown, then show the table from the table name where this column is, and you can put also some conditions if you would like to. Now to quickly execute this query so it makes more sense to all of you guys, and let's open Microsoft SQL's server management studio. Okay, and then see how it goes. And this is what I have just quickly, a simple query, created a simple query for all of you guys so that you understand the basics. Okay, once the basics, the foundation is great, and if you understand the simple queries, then you can build on those simple queries some complicated queries which will be coming in our coming videos. Okay, now what I'm doing here, using the same database which I have been using, and what I'm just saying, the task is find the maximum of the line total from this table where product ID is equal to 707. Okay, so now this is what I do. This is my column. I put it through max function, and all that I put through select statement, and I give this alias top sales per product. So this is product, so per product, and top sales is I'm going to see when I made the maximum sales on this particular product, and I mean to say what was the amount of that sale. Okay, and this is the table, okay, which is here, and the product ID is 707. And let's execute this query. I have already executed it, and you can see that on this particular product the maximum amount of sale that we did for a particular order was 42421.898040. To make sense of this query, what I suggest is you know let us let us make sense of this query. Okay, what I have done for all of you guys here is I have selected everything from this table. So if you see, I have product IDs, okay, and I have this line total. These two we have used. Okay, we have used, if you see in our query, we have, sorry, I'm just trying to make this bit clearer for all of you guys. So now see, so we have used line total. Okay, and this is our line total. Okay, we are actually working with this query. Okay, but I'm just made another simple query just to show you what. So we have this table. Inside this table we have number of columns. Okay, and here we are using line total. Okay, that's this column. Okay, and we are putting condition. We have product ID is 707, so product ID is this. So I'm asking, so we might have, in this query, in this table, we might have millions of records, millions of transactions, and millions of products sold, and but different products. And I'm interested in, for example, what was the top amount, what was the max amount for this product. Okay, and for that, if you see the line total, I'm trying to get when I made maximum here, selling 707. Okay, and I got that maximum I made was 421.898. Okay, and dash dash. Okay, now what we could do more, we could give different these product IDs. Okay, and see how much we made, max we made. Okay, and that actually tells me, for example, if for example I am looking for this 777 now. Okay, so So if you see, if I say 777, for example, so I have 777. I have an order whereby on a particular order I made 23,020.131792. So much money. Uh, and it's a particular order, and when the product ID was this, and I made sales of this. Okay, so this is the way you basically, and I can use any. So for example, I don't know if I put the right product ID here, and I will get the sales. Okay, top sales, a maximum I made on that particular order. Okay, so whether it is maybe 3 here, I don't know if the product ID is correct here, we should get this. So hope this makes sense, and I can show you further more stuff. One more stuff is select max. Okay, if we do like, I can say, I can even give, I think like this, if makes sense. So the maximum we have made in this line total was 27,893.619. Okay, so it's not that necessary that you have to give the condition, but generally in the real world scenario you will have queries. You will need to make queries where you have to put some conditions as well. So I'm always trying to show you not only select from, but putting some conditions on it so that you guys understand. We can create these conditions. We can create complicated conditions whereby we can say product ID this and others, some other product ID, or product ID this or some other product ID. And I will show you slow and steadily. I will build the base and show you how to make all those complex queries and get the results as you or as the business needs are satisfied. Okay, we need to give those queries and get the information from our databases so that the needs of the business are satisfied, so that whatever I as a employee or my seniors would like to see certain information, and by writing these correct queries, and I will show you also how to write efficient queries, which will take less time to execute and still give the same result. There are, when you go into advanced level, you can make one, you can get answer of your question by different techniques and writing different queries, and still you might get the same result. But we will reach to a level whereby we will see which query is executing faster than the other one, and we will also pick the faster queries to save the time, and most often that's good for business. But those things are later. I'm not going to make it too difficult right now. I think this lecture has been useful for all of you guys, and if it has, then my request is please subscribe, connect to me if you haven't until now, and please hit the notification bell or whatever you need to do so that you get notified as soon as I upload new videos. And I hope to see all of you in my coming lectures. Until then, and I thank you all for watching Data Analytics Professionals. With that, remember, always sharing is caring, and this is time to say goodbye.